You know hear that? I gotta call you. Watch the movie. Nowadays the sun them hot in a general. Oh yeah, cope.
See me I get black.
Right.
Place rough, man. But I don't know how foreign people do it, you know. Brother, sun would kill me. My brother is cold, you know, I'm not telling you.
Let me tell you what going on. It's enough time them come to Jamaica, yeah? Them come for kind of get rid of the snow, because it's snow terrible over there, you know.
Then come to thaw out.
Whatever you want to call this sort of beef, boy.
Well, I'm rather freeze to blow that skirt. No, sir.
Yeah,
I'm rather freeze.
Brother, today was a rough day.
Rough
day, brother.
Work hard, you puke, yeah.
I put my hand on you.
Man. Let me get a piece of bun to them and I'm sir.
Brother, I'm going to see them on box food, man.
Where?
Earlier on, I posted my friend
Man,
there.
I move me to look at food, brother, when I'm supposed to share. I'm there, man. Let me get a food and I get a food back, man. No, ain't no food. Go on,
yeah,
man.
You're still about, you know, sign up for a willing place, you know?
Stop here.
Take peace.
If you stop going, watch your man all hold it so I can only limit myself to blows and care. Man, man.
Brother, yo, sometimes you have to understand, so I know you stay, you know. Eh? When you eat food, I don't see you all day, I just the box, I see you dash right. Eh? You know, new guest coming?
I don't see nobody from
No somebody?
what's wrong? To the salt.
Brother, I'm there and not even $100, man. Even 100 US.
100, not even 50 US, me not see. Not even get a 20 pan the hustle. Nothing. Right, like we've got to improve the hustling, you know.
Like what you talk about?
You know, man, start sell them some things, brother.
No, man, boss, man. Boss, I'm fire with.
My boss don't have known.
The boss, yo, listen, the boss know everything on us.
That's cool, man.
You know what I'm saying?
I tell you, so we can screech up to them and one time we friend them up. But let's go to them and make them say, watch it. Yes, I'm really good.
No.
Can get you some alcohol. And get some extra money in my head on the side that I full money. My boss say I get the biggest pay, you know. And all we do is wait for them to get the scraps, you know.
But yeah, you have to learn to satisfy. You see that way right now? Agree and make everything set upside down. I tell you that. Make a little knock.
So well,
I want to knock. Then you know what I mean?
May I ask you a question? You satisfied with the pay where you get right now, that can cover you?
I'm not satisfied. I want to see that faith. I'm satisfied with time I go through.
So then that way we have to take time and learn and see if we can get other ways to improve on the salary, boss, man. But that me talk about, you know. And the more we do it, you can put the little thing and say, all right, build it and make sure we're not do it for long enough. We just do it long enough, if it can take me out of a situation.
Yeah.
It can work.
Me ask you about people who start and go through. You know, I'm the bad lucky one to then go hold me over here and say, watch out, shame and disgrace.
No shame in the game, brother. After we not do nothing wrong. We simply just offer one market, one product to a certain market. If we make we eat a little food extra.
Brother, if you want to do this, you do that. I can't do that.
So what we are going to do?
I'm going to wait for Jack and see if he can create something. You know what I mean?
And then your sister this?
Jeez, I'm pity most. Why girl are going? You know, so every time she want to go river, yo, you know warm to Renee. Renee come like something wrong with him.
You deal with that.
You want me what you
Go
say?
up so and so on, go on.
Let me say. You know what you say, because I'm on some serious business. You left out?
No, man, I'm so forward.
All right.
Just make a one round up here, so maybe a client up there when we can see what going on.
Let me know if nothing can share for me, no, brother.
Yeah, man.
Some man just always think himself, he's greedy. Renee,
Yes, brother.
who want you go river?
Me alone go river.
Exactly, yeah, that me a talk about. What if something happen to you down there? Who you go call? Ghostbuster? Eh?
So now you tell me say other river did this,
Yo,
so me
you
go
keep on a say, me I tell you say, listen to what me I say and you will understand. Take your time and open your ears them and listen. See? I said not today. You understand me I say? Understand that part there. Weekend better when more people on the river, 'cause everybody are working now. And nothing ever go on for me work, so the place empty.
Then, brother, now you me see for any man to the hour. A green card I want get.
Yes.
If you get it, I forget one for me too, you know.
So when you say that, so you may ask them, which part you there for see me now?
No worry ahead, man, but me see you do.
You see me?
Yeah.
Is a friend, is a person that works at that comes to the place where we work, right? And only thing she want to do is just ask me some question. That's it.
Don't lie.
And
man.
when I know green card, you're gone too far. What for green card? I'm about if you get green card, I get you. Oh yeah, yeah, what?
But you can't get green card and I get none for me.
You know, I'm not left you with anything for go on, Peter, go on. But listen to me, Renee, on a serious note, I'm going to left out your room right now. You need to listen to your brother. When your brother talk, it's for your own good. You hear me I say to you? I see you sing my talk, you know. I worried the whole time today. I said, Lord Jesus, she not there home. I'm going to come home and see her at night. Do so. Eh? Why you the way you gone? And you have your friend them in a malice this a week. Eh? That's why you contaminate me in my workplace today. Learn to listen to your brother. You hear me, Sir Renee? You hear me, Sir Renee?
Yes, Jason, me here. Me here, Jason.
I want to hear your voice. Yes, alright, yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, the pleasure is all mine. Thank you for making it Public Reports Tours. My name is Briscoe, and I'll be your tour guide for the day. I really am a pleasure. It is an honor to actually have you here in our beautiful country, as you can see. And I like the fact that you're on time. So we really do appreciate your business and you being here. May I ask your name, please?
You can call me Han.
I can call you Anne?
Yes.
Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, Anne, so we are standing right now in front of the beautiful cave. This cave has been here in existence for over 600 years.
Wow.
Yes, it has been intact and it is kept in mint condition. Trust me. So we have also built rails and stairs that leads you up to the cave, and we will be definitely taking a tour on the inside. But until we reach the cave, you notice you are at the beautiful scenery right at the river here. So we are right at the river, so definitely we want you to get all of this and take all of this in. It's a beautiful scenery. It's called the Roaring River.
Okay.
Yes. So, you know, with all that said, it's really nice, really, really nice to have you here. Is this your first time in Jamaica?
Oh yeah.
This is your first time?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm going to make it my absolute pleasure to ensure that you enjoy your stay and you enjoy your time here, okay?
Thank you.
Might I ask where you be staying?
Okay. I forgot the name of the place.
Oh, you're
Somewhere
staying by
up
the
there?
villa. You're staying by the villa up that
Yeah.
side?
Oh yeah.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I like that. All right, so do you have anybody personally taking you around or anything like that?
Not really. It's just
You just got here, so you
Yeah.
haven't figured out anything yet?
I've been to several places already though.
Oh.
But since you're going to take me somewhere up there, I'll just go with you.
Well, I'm not only trying to just take you to all these places, I'm trying to get you an experience that you've never had before.
Okay.
I want to get you in tuned and in one with the nature of this place. I want you to feel and be loved by it.
Is it adventurous or something like that?
No, it's not dangerous if that's what
No,
you're thinking.
Adventurous.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure, it's adrenaline rush and all of that. Yeah, man, trust me, you're going to like it.
Okay.
And I'm going to be here to guide you every step of the way.
Okay,
Because I
thank
really
you.
want to be personal with you, yeah?
Oh,
And
right.
let me again say welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
Thank you.
Right this way.
Okay.
Yes. Green yard. You can't tell me nothing you know. I'm sure that one, yeah. Hey! Alright. We have the luscious green forest. Yeah, these palm trees are evergreen, like right throughout the year. It never changes, always keeps the greenery. And you notice the trees are extra tall because they have been here for years, decades. So this is really a monumental area. Look at the beautiful water. Trust me, you don't have it where you are. Look beautiful. I'm telling you, everything just looks really nice. And so,
Oh, this is beautiful. I like it.
alright, so we come right here. So how please watch the step as we are going up, we're heading towards the cave right now.
Girl, you couldn't go in the house go eat. Eh?
Jason, I can't believe we're on table, man.
What means you can't have on the table? Eh?
My house hot and the air fan go blow till little bread out of me hand.
Jesus Christ, man, never seen this like from man. You're a girl and you have act decent. You have act like you're a rude boy? Eh? You're a rude boy? I guess I know. So when tell me I eat the food.
I know, man, Jason. So, you find girl, I know you go out early.
Renee,
Anyway, used to go out early.
Renee, nobody
Jason.
with the foolishness. I'm a
Find
good friend.
work, I know, man.
I work, what you talk
A
about?
girl you find, man.
Renee, nobody foolishness.
Hey, I can't get green card again, man, you know?
You gonna make a green card again?
Yeah, cause you're foreign girl.
Get it easy, you know, girl. You know what I say? Make sure you say wash the dish when you finish. Don't put nice sink.
Yes, me
You understand me? I
watch
say,
it.
come here, run, go work now. Early the better.
When lunch money there, even shift me there, pan.
That's Christ. School start back already.
Mm-hmm.
I see the amount of money for give. Alright. So you know, pay this to the taxi man. To come pick you up and this your lunch money. 500 no time, it's $1,500. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so see you later.
Alright.
And about do nothing one more do. Yeah? Alright, later. Yeah, ma'am. So you see these places? They are secret. For example, this tree. This tree is here for 100 years. A long time. Long before my granny and my grandfather even met.
Wow.
The river is something that, you know, is spiritual. You know what I mean? So, and you see, the funniest thing about Jamaican culture is that we have a lot of water. You know what I mean? The island is surrounded by water. You know what I mean? So, when you come here, it's a must you take a dip in the river water, you know, to just wash off, you know what I mean, any crosses from long time. You know, that's how we, you know, do it here in Jamaica. Yeah, man. But I was wondering, normally, when you're there foreign, you ever by chance like send a barrel to Jamaica?
Yeah, loads of time.
You send barrels to Jamaica?
Uh-huh.
So you understand, you know, that routine because, you know, like, I don't know if someday you might can send me something, you know, like a barrel come to Jamaica.
I'll think about it.
Yeah, man. Well, and you come back to Jamaica, right?
Yeah, I will.
You will?
Yeah.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, I don't want you to, you know, think that I'm begging you just like that.
No, that's okay. I have to work and save some money and come back. So if I get the chance when I'm sending, I'll just send for you and send for some other people. Anything they want, I can send it to them. But you're going to have to give me your information
Yeah,
so
man,
I
have
can
enough
send it
information.
directly to you.
Yes, man. It's when we show back at the villa,
Okay.
I can give you the information. So
Okay.
make sure I write it down on paper.
No problem.
And think.
Yeah.
For some reason, I left my phone on my yard. You understand?
Oh, wow.
But
Okay.
like, just keep this confidential between me, because I like how me and rap, you know. We have
Okay.
this cool vibes, and as you realize, you know, we've been up and down for the past 1 hour. Even though this morning, I don't know why you were a little late.
Oh, because of ups and downs yesterday, I fell asleep late last night too, because I was reading a book, I was listening to the news, you know what's going on in the world, I have to watch it, listen to it, everything to know what's going on, and then I woke up and fall back asleep.
Oh, you did?
So I wake up late this morning. I did
Alright.
woke up late, real late,
And
but I'm sorry.
And I really love your energy. I really love the company. You know what I mean? But, you know, make sure you try to send them barrel to come give me, because, like me, I don't know if I tell you, I have a little sister.
Oh, you need a whole barrel?
Yeah, man, I have a little sister, and
Oh
it's
my
like,
God.
you know, she eat enough. You know, someone I would love if you can send a barrel come down there, so we can actually, you know.
I'll try to see what I can do,
All
but
right.
I'm not sure I can send just one person a whole barrel because I have so many people to help
Well, if you
that in need of stuff. But
just bag up on.
maybe I can give you a whole barrel. I will try.
Yes, man, that would be
Yeah.
nice. That would be nice, Anne. You know what I mean? I really
I'll
appreciate
try.
it. You know what I mean? So, all right, let me take you back up to the villa and see, because today boss was talking about, you know, doing some stuff up there.
Can I put my feet in the
Of
water?
course you can. Just take your time. Take off your slippers right there, so put it there, so. And don't make it drop in the river, because if it drop in the river, you never see it again.
Okay.
Just take your time. Go down, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How the water feel? Feel cold?
Nice and cool.
Oh, my God.
Feel
You
like
see?
ice water.
You see, I told you I can make you have the best time of your life. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you can tell Bossy, you know, that I've been doing a wonderful job.
Sure. Before I leave, I'm gonna give you a tip.
You gonna give me a tip
When I go back.
to the villa? Yeah, man. No
Yeah.
problem, man. No problem. Jamaica, no problem. You know, that's how we do it here. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I want you to enjoy yourself to the fullest. My name is, you know, Jason, and I'm your tour guide. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I can take you to different places just the same way. I wish I had more time here, though. That's the thing.
Me too, but I have to go back to work.
Yeah. Go back in the snow, not true?
Yeah, I'm just on a short vacation.
Oh my God. I wish I can come take a swim with
Next
one of them
time
day,
I'm
but
gonna take 3 months.
3 months. Yes,
Yeah,
man. You need
to
to,
the
do
land
that.
of paradise.
Yes, you need to do that. You know,
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm okay now.
You okay now?
Yeah.
All right, take your time, Ann. Don't drop.
No, that's okay.
Take your time, get up.
All right. Oh, thank you.
See your right foot slippers and your left foot.
No, this is my right feet,
Oh, this is your left foot. Yeah,
and
man.
this is my left.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, come on, Ann. So we're going to take the time to walk up at the villa now.
Okay.
Just take your time, man, and go through. Welcome back to the villa. I hope
Thank
you had a
you.
wonderful day.
I did enjoy.
I'm going to walk you down there, all right?
Okay.
So let's go. Let's cross the road. I don't want to bike on dog. I'll come. So, I hope you had a wonderful day,
I did.
and I hope you can, you know, recommend me at any time possible. You know what I mean? And don't forget the barrel if possible.
I am going to sort it out for you.
All right, man. So thank you very much. And I can see you tomorrow, though.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow I'll call you up by your room 24, and we'll make a link. All right, man.
Okay.
Respect. And if you want to link up the office and let them, you know, organize the next tour with us,
Yeah.
no problem. All right. So have
Okay,
a wonderful
cool.
day. Have a
All
number,
right.
you know,
Okay.
and keep mine. I'll write down for you, right?
I will. I
All
will.
right. All right, man.
All right.
Later.
Bye.
All right, and bye bye.
see you. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
All right, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is quite fine. Okay. I love this villa that I'm staying,
Yeah, man.
and I really enjoy this place.
Right.
I've been to the Blue Hole.
Oh, okay.
Yes, someone take me, one of those tour guide guys. Yeah, they took me to the Blue Hole, they took me to
Right.
the cave.
Right.
But I would really love to enjoy going around the park to see what this park is all about.
No, man, not a problem, man. Not a problem. Not even the park alone. I have two persons here that could really meet up to anything you want. They carry go anywhere you want, do anything you want. You understand what I
Okay,
mean?
and I was looking on the internet and I saw a place by the name of what they call it again. I think it's Dolphin Cove.
Oh, yeah, man. Don't worry about that, man. Listen.
Is it Dolphin Cove or Dolphin Cave?
Dolphin Cove. Or
Cove,
Cave.
okay.
We have both of them. But listen,
Oh.
as long as you're here, we just kind of anything
I
you
would love
want.
to go there.
Yeah, man. I have the perfect person to just, deal with that and stuff and thing,
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to make sure this trip is nice and everything is okay for you here. All
Okay,
right.
so thank you. And the reason why I called you is that I would love one of the tour guides person to come and assist me to take me somewhere that I want to go. I just want to have a look over the countryside to see all those horses and cows and all the animals
As I
there.
said before,
Yeah.
you just say and then we'll deliver because
So-
you know definitely about this place with the the little investment and stuff which we talk through the grapevine and stuff and thing and so forth. We just want to make sure that your stay here is comfortable as possible, most comfortable I should say. So don't
Okay.
worry, I'm gonna get those guys to deal with it.
So how much is it's going to cost me to go on one of the horses back?
Listen, we don't really talk about the money now. Just
Okay.
all right,
Okay.
right. we
No,
don't-
the money's not a problem. I can
right.
pay
No,
for it.
Mrs. Kangaroo, don't worry yourself, man.
Okay,
Everything
so I'm
is
going to
all right.
have a walk now and just go
Yeah,
to the
man,
park.
and don't worry. We just provide you with those guys to just take care of your every needs. And listen, remember about the investment thing that we're talking about. We can
Yes.
talk about that later.
Yes, no
and
problem.
stuff.
No
and I
problem.
noticed, where is Mr. Kangaroo? I don't hear.
Oh, the flight was canceled
Oh.
because there's a storm and,
Oh, those blizzard stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
and
But he's coming though, right?
he is. He
Oh,
have
okay,
to.
good.
Because he didn't turn up too because he have an appointment with somebody, so he delayed.
All right.
He didn't check in early.
No problem, man. No problem.
Yeah.
Just as I said before, anything you need, just say it. And I'm gonna send those guys just to make sure they take care of you.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead, man.
Okay, I've been hearing people talking about Jamaican jerk chicken. Can I have some?
Listen, man. As I said before, that is just water and a duck back. Simple thing.
Is
All
it-
right?
Is it good?
Yep. Oh, come on, man. It's the best, man. Don't worry about it. Man.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man. Just have a nice walk.
Okay.
Anything you want, just say the word. All right?
Thank you for your
Yeah,
time.
man.
Thank
All
you
right.
very
Have a nice day. Yeah.
You too.
All right.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
You feel like you're really
Briscoe.
ready to try this thing, huh?
Jason. Gentlemen, what you doing?
Yeah, boss, what go on?
Yeah. Anyway,
Yes, boss.
when you say nothing not really go on, I have somebody coming here at the cottage. High profile, and it's a female. And listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want nothing happen here. Because you know them trip advisors and thing. And I don't want my thing go down, I want to go away.
Oh,
Right.
yeah, boss.
And
yeah,
true,
boss.
me know say only they are long enough. Only
Yes.
can deal with the business. So that's why I'm going to leave it up to Uno. You understand me? You loud and clear, boss?
Yes, boss. Loud and clear.
All right. And listen to look here. Especially you. Me don't want you to look the woman. Listen to me. No, give joking. You, me don't want you beg her no money. Because I know how you stay. You understand what I mean?
So what if she want to give me a tip, bossy?
No. Me say,
I'm
beg
not
her her
right.
money. But nobody like you instigate because I want everything perfect right here. You understand what I mean? So me a count pan, you know.
Yeah.
Briscoe.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
You the pan chalk line, you know. You the pan chalk line. So
How about
you
that,
can't
yeah,
mess up
boss?
this to me.
How about the line,
Because you see that lady here will come, she can help. And as you say, I don't tell her this, so not much not go on and over season. You understand what I mean? Anyway, getting at that, but please, I beg you, no.
So I see him pay you get, boss. Because nothing not go on, I don't want no say.
Yeah, where you go on? You say nothing not go on and you ask more money. You see, that's why I tell you don't beg the woman money. Just reason, man. Easy, no boss. Just take your time. All right? I just saw you go. When you do your work, you do your work the best of your ability. Money come later, we deal with that.
Easy
You understand what I mean?
man.
That's easy yourself. All right?
Boss,
You can't count on no.
Boss, I want to you, man.
I mean, I beg you again, sir. You see the woman, and no matter where because I know how you stay. I know how you stay, I know how you stay. That is all I have to say to no gentleman. Loud and clear?
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear?
Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss.
All right, make sure.
Yeah, man.
I don't want nobody report. I don't want to take no more. And
You can
this company
count on
can't
us,
take
boss,
no-
eh?
Make sure. All right.
Man.
Good.
Briscoe. Mom. Today I try to get myself together for when me I go? Yeah, more I make more money, yes, but you sure the money where I check legit? So you just gotta show me what I go on right now. So I can understand what it is. Briscoe, you're too bold, you know, brother. You want boss, let we go? I'm a forward right now. I'm a forward right now.
No, Briscoe.
Huh?
Yeah, my boss. Briscoe.
What?
Okay, yo, you sure with that place, brother?
I want to my youth. You don't see I want to big disease, watch it.
Well, I'm gonna go to jail.
What kind of jail thing? A legitimate thing, this brother. I want to get this license. You want to work at a Tourguide place forever?
No.
You know what I'm telling man. Come in, man. Watch
Yeah.
it. A real thing, this, brother.
I'm sorry, first one come on farm, though.
Yo, wait till we start supply them people there. Yo, Jimmy.
I'll go on Briscoe.
There have no G. Yeah, one out with General, that's all. You don't know.
So I win.
Yeah, man, I'm a co-worker this man. But you know, man, you don't know the local operation when they come supply me with them little things, eh? And you don't know me sell them and make a food. So I bossy me on the project, you see me? So I make it be a thing now where me and him come link you, and if me no forward, him forward, and we do the work together, you see me?
Yeah, money can't happen, man.
So moves in my youth.
No, me I say if certain.
No money can't happen, man.
School,
You
man.
understand me? I say, as long as you don't want the holy green, man.
Yeah, man, watching out
Yeah,
where I want
supply,
you, give you a supply, and you don't know. Supply, man, give you the funds where you forget and we work it out.
Well, me no problem with that, you know. But here what I go on now. You know, say me have to get my money, though.
Good,
You
you
know me, I
know
say.
my good feet, my brother.
All right, so I must make you know, you know. I want you to listen to me good. I know me come look for you, you know. I want to walk, drive, come look for me.
You have a point.
You get what me say, so I make you know.
Straight.
I don't make him know, because I don't know him, I make you know.
Nah, I mess up the link, man.
All right, everything good, man.
Yeah, man.
Malta!
So me talk about that.
Carry anything that come there.
Seat right away. Yeah, man. Come see what I go on, man. And stop moving so timid, man. Come see what I go on, man.
Why you in a bed so late? Me I go and work, I know, and you still in bed. I want him.
Yes, no, do me go on to work now, man.
So how was school yesterday?
School did alright.
So na school.
Jason,
Wait, Renee, what make your foot bruise up, so? Renee,
go on.
Renee, me a talk to you, make your foot bruise up, so. Arriva, you really go, Renee? So hold on, you go pop your foot or something extremely
go
bad
back.
happen before you learn your lesson?
Me not go back up there, man.
You not go back up there now?
Don't know do it,
Me couldn't there work and hear bad news that come to me. And I say no, so I lie them I tell. So also work, or you can go to school?
Yes, I'm going to work, no, man.
And that you say? Eh? You know no man I seen a little girl. Look what happened now. Suppose somebody happen. And you have to go check that out because this don't look good.
Yes, go on now.
What mean something for go on? Sometimes I wonder what you really want. What you really want? What you really want? What kind of point you prove?
They didn't sit up on me.
They set me, that I then set you for me. That's a problem. When we go to work, make sure you put some ice on you and tell me how you go. I can't believe you, Renee. Briscoe! Who that? How are you going now? I see you there early, brother.
Nothing man go. Where are you? What?
Are you tight?
Fly, go on my throat. I fly.
Briscoe, see your pocket, Briscoe.
And then I'm gonna pocket my youth, I want you.
Briscoe, I can't believe you there. It's...
I not eat nothing. You see me I eat. Right, you come see me with one look at juice. See there, I drink and left me get from out that shop.
Briscoe, I'm shout you some see you twist around.
No, then I become I tell you say fly down when I'm throat and I feel like
and fly your throat.
Yeah, man, come there.
Alright.
Yeah, same time I yarn. They call to me, man. So we are do this early.
Alright.
We normally come in so early. How go on?
Brother, I'm gonna say boss tell yourself where I start out this morning. You forget say boss, make your appointment for this morning.
That time there. But I never know say that reach early because you normally come in late still.
Don't worry about that, man. I work.
Found early?
Yes, man. So, you meet the person already?
I don't meet nobody.
So, me as a woman, you know. You make sure she don't look the woman, you know.
So wait, you worry about me? So what about you?
No, me go ask her if normal is a normal thing to get a tip, you know what I mean?
It's a normal thing.
That's all. Me go stress part.
You beg really. Barrel. Remember the last one we come in, a barrel me here, you beg them, you know. But you still have me the pan chalk line. Everything, Chris.
So you go tell the boss? I plan for tell the boss?
I'm not plan for tell the boss, man. He's not an informer. But at the end of the day, we need to do better. You need to do better, sir.
Yeah, no.
You need to do better.
Make it better.
Yes. So we make it a bet right about now. You don't beg the woman a barrel, and me don't beg no green card. You can bet on that?
Bet on that, because I know you will lose. You have to beg him for something. Because you love snow and them sitting there, you know. Come in, roll in.
We will see. Yep. How did she this?
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am fine. Nice to see you again.
It's a pleasure.
What's the name again?
Antoinette, but you can call me
Antoinette.
Ann. Just say Han.
Antoinette.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
You're smiling. Very nice. Yeah, I like that. So, are you ready, guys?
Oh, we're ready. We are
Yeah,
up. We're
because
waiting
I
on
would
you.
love to see all those cattle and, you know, I already seen the water. And now I'd love to see the woods.
No problem. Let's
Okay?
go.
Yes,
Right,
thank you.
Yes.
Yes, Antoinette. We are now in the green vegetation of the Western Hemisphere. Right now, there's a lot of cow, stuff because these cows are owned by a lot of private owners. So if you look over Yasso, you'll see like the hills and the valley. You know what I mean? And we here in the western side, we are full of vegetation. You understand me? So when you come over Yasso, only thing you're gonna feel is natural air. In here, smell that? Smell that? It's natural here.
Yes, and if you step this way, you will get to see the cows and all the beauty that the cows them have to offer. You can just take a step closer, just a little bit closer, and you see what is going on. dips pan that in a we are do.
What you mean dibs?
I mean my wife, me and dips.
I be a green card up ahead, brother.
You
Hey,
know,
boss,
see,
tell we say for low the woman fee. Yo, brother, me can't believe I got to that.
no, what? You know, see, opportunity that.
After you want to get fired?
Which fired? You know, see, opportunity that.
Boss.
Him don't tell me, say, me walk on chocolate and so what if me fly out?
Brother,
Him can't say nothing to me
green
after that.
card. Snow up on your brain.
hey.
You need to cool out,
Easy,
brother.
you know. Cause nobody talk, you know. Because me know say you soon beg him one barrel or two suitcase, you know. Nobody think we are idiot. Me know say you stay. So nobody come go on. You know much different from me.
Listen, me tell you the truth. I go on. Me see her yesterday. Me see her before.
See, me know say sitting did up, you know.
Oh, yeah, man, like you see her before, too.
That no say.
Hmm?
You see her, me see her, two we are liar. That's how it go. But at the end of the day, I me first did see her.
Brother, you can't mash up. And about see her right now, about the work.
Tonight, it's no work. You see me, I work for going my green card.
Green card? Jesus Christ, man. I can't miss a man still stuck on green.
Yo,
brother.
stop it. Yeah, so after we left here, so we gonna bring her to go see some of the scenery over the other side, and then on the left. So, see, yeah, man. So
Yeah, man.
we're bringing her to a couple of scenery after that, and
Yes.
a couple coconut trees and all
Yes.
these.
I took some pictures.
You took some pictures?
Yes.
Wow, the cattle, the cows.
Yes, man. Those are very nice. They are very nice, man.
And as you can see, the green grass. The green grass.
Can I have my phone, please?
Yes, man. And we're going to take you back up to the place now.
Yes.
Ease up the man. Pull up. Take it time.
Watch your step.
One piece of iron, listen. Don't make your iron joke, yeah? Oh,
Push.
it's Briscoe's fault.
Thank you.
Go back up, son.
Briscoe, come on, Briscoe. Yo, you're easy in the body.
So you easy. You see what tell me.
You're professional, man. No, because me. You take her. Because she don't want to give me no barrel. She not talk positive about no barrel. I bet she not going to bust up on a green card.
Yeah, idiot, man.
Yo.
You don't have the, you know, so she melt like a butter in my hand.
How is butter?
What you talking about?
Yeah, see, it's on hot.
What? She
Eh?
melt like a butter in my hand.
Yeah.
And she love it, and me tell her, so she want the wood on the water. It me not go give it to her. You wait, green card is a coming.
Take her. Thinking idiot.
You alright?
Yes, please.
Nice. You see, while I was walking and looking for the cars, I actually got get a jelly for you.
Okay,
So
thank
this
you.
is called our coconut water.
Oh.
Yes, man, this wash off your heart. Make your heart clean
Okay.
and pure. I want give a favoritism.
Okay,
So don't
thank you
worry.
so
Yes,
much.
baby girl. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, I miss you so much. I'm happy that you're here.
Yeah, man, guys, thank you for taking care of my beautiful wife. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Yeah, man. One moment. Oh, yeah, since you guys took such wonderful care of my wife, I'll ensure that I invest in your boss's company. Yes, because I see that it wants a little bit of upliftment, so I'll invest in the company.
Oh, yes, and sorry, I forgot to tell you that this is my husband, Mr.
what?
Kangaroo.
I mean, sorry, you're what?
Remember I told you that my name is Mrs. Kangaroo? This is my husband, Mr. Kangaroo.
Okay, yes, guys.
Oh, and they were good to me.
Yeah,
He's
I
the
know.
best tour guide ever. One name is Jason, and I forgot your name, please. Sorry, what's your name?
Briscoe.
Briscoe.
All right, thanks much. All right, guys.
Okay.
Have a wonderful
It
day.
was nice meeting you. Ciao.
Yeah, man, I can't hide, you know, man. Everything Chris, man.
Brother.
Everything Chris. Ah, yeah, I did.
I'm there, you know. Never expect to see you coming so later now.
Why it was
It's a green card.
hard one to come out of the bed today. And my vex, you know, brother. You never know, man. My vex, man.
But they tell you about the woman there, you know. Because I guess I know. You see, from I bring her down the river, and I ask her about the barrel, you know. And she go tell me, say, she go try. You see, anytime somebody say they go try, cut her losses, man, and go on your ways. Woman so mean. I say, no, sir, something wrong, you know. But I try to tell you, you know. But for some reason, I get the G for me. I say, yo, ease off for the woman there.
Brother. Yo, she tricked me, brother.
Yo, me laugh and I say, you married?
It frightened me. I couldn't hold it, brother. You never know, man. I couldn't hold it. I say, yo.
No, sir.
Yo, brother. Yo, my youth, you know which part bun me? You know which part I go take up all the jelly? And my grandmother lost jelly the side of her bed, you know. I say, yo, man, I can't go turn my present, you know. And you want to see how the woman husband take the jelly all out of me?
Yeah. One husband take it to for scale.
Yo, I don't want to go drink it, you know.
Rough. Your jelly.
My jelly. Grandmother jelly.
Mama, the rough.
Yo.
But brother, listen to me. We have to work together, you know. It's a new thing, 2024, no sports are catch we are in a fight against each other. You want a green card, me want a barrel. You understand me? I said, because in the day, me always see people get Western and barrel from foreign, and me I said to myself, say, yo, Jason, you can get a barrel too, you know. But obviously, I don't my time yet. You know what I mean?
See, even if the ashes are foreign before it burn down, brother. My to make you think I fight for go so hard today. My need for go see what go on, my you. I want to feel the cold in my bone.
So brother, how can you just try to get a visiting visa and done? Eh?
No man. No, I want to visit, I want to have my green card. So if anything and nobody vex with them face with me, them can't throw me out, them can't send me back to my yard. My youth, you think how my youth people mind change quick up at that thing.
I'm sure it is that.
Yo, you think that joke thing and then watch the drama now? You want the barrel. So one time I go up there and get the green card, that's a simple thing that for me send down 2 suitcases and 2 barrels for my general, man. I want to you, man.
You must say a reason.
Yeah, brother, I have to
Yo,
think
come
straight.
work together, brother. We have to work together.
I can't do
So
it,
if we
man.
see any other opportunity like that, we have to work together and know
If
what
I
we
you the girl want,
yeah.
we send you forward.
You know that, man?
Yeah, and if I make you want,
We send you forward.
we'll go forward.
You know what I mean?
We're going to take part on that. 2024,
that's so
we
good,
nah
man.
run down. No, man,
Yo.
we nah make none of them feel like them and nobody over
One
with.
piece of bonnet, brother.
See, that's how we are
That's
talking.
how
We
we
share
share
things,
thing,
I
man.
want to you.
2024, brother.
I
Our
heard
lifestyle
you,
is...
man. Yo, we nah run down. No, man. No, man can't take over phone and coffee, daddy.
I tell
That
you,
me, I tell you. I want to you. Or if we don't make them know, say, oh, we're better than that. You
Yep.
think them can check what chat to you?
I tell you, so if we work,
Yo.
if we work like that, I'm sure said, we have to see results. You know what I mean?
That go work.
That
go work.
Because you know, a boss alone benefit out of that one there.
Yeah, cause see, place get fixed up and everything and fixed up for him.
Exactly. Man get enough money.
All we are getting more work.
I'm paying a raise.
No reason why I'm paying now. But them something that I say another reason why it's hard to find it hard to come out to work and bet this man to come and work.
Remember, say, anytime few people them link you, just make a call and call me. I know what I go on so we can get started on something that if I
Brother.
say go. You understand?
Smart way I go this
Yeah,
trip.
man.
Nah, make no woman come between my friendship.
You what time you clock in?
That's one time I don't still know.
But hold on. I want bus start to come in.
Where?
Up at top there. Oh, man, that, you know.
Wait. That should look good.
You subscribe yet?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm okay. How about you?
Well, you see, I'm there with my brethren, Briscoe for fall, but
Briscoe the artist?
no man, Briscoe is my tour guide brethren who work here and thing. So you new here, man?
Well, I'm from Jamaica, but
Oh.
I'm not around anymore.
So you just come visit?
Yeah, so can I ask you a question? Are you a tour guide?
Yes, ma'am, that is what I'm here to do. You know, make sure you see
So-
my island, Jamaica. You know, take you around the place, you know, make you have a
Okay.
smile for your face.
I already have a smile on my face.
Yes, I see,
So, I like your laugh.
Thank
well,
you.
to be honest, the other males in my country, they eat pork. I wonder if you like to eat pork.
We are talking about pork. Me not pork, man. Fire upon that,
When
man.
I'm talking pork, I mean pork with a Y.
No. You see, you right now, you take this thing too far. We Jamaicans don't do that something. So don't.
I was just asking.
Listen, you don't ask them questions. Careful of who you ask to cause.
I'm sorry I'm sorry.
For
I didn't
some-
mean to offend you. I'm very sorry about that.
If a certain man asks you a dirty for yourself, you know, that me I tell you, you know.
I'm sorry.
You answer me and say, so what you up to for today? You want me to take you on a tour or something?
Sure. So, where you want us to go first?
Well, you know, say we can't go anywhere you want to go still, but you know.
I would like to see your home.
Want to see my house?
Yeah.
You know, so me never really bring nobody down guess. But yeah, man, if I
Don't
something.
worry, let's go.
Alright.
Yeah.
You want something to talk to you about, you know?
Let's have,
Yeah.
okay, let's go.
Yeah, man, let's go.
Oh my God.
We can't give no bird. Oh, this is?
What's up? You want me to close the door?
Yeah,
Or-
man, I can close.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, this room is beautiful, but it's quite
It's small, I'm not
small.
sure. I can't stand this, man.
It's okay.
Yeah, so I really appreciate the fact that you know, church of the city we live and all these things. You know what I mean? But normally you ever like send things from Jamaica, like online shopping or you know like shopping or something?
A lot of time.
You shop?
Yeah.
But is it that you ever like send you know, like box and them stuff that goodies and you send them something?
Yeah. It's been a while. I've been to Jamaica. I think 7 years ago.
Yeah.
So kind of the accent and some stuff there.
Oh,
I mean,
still, you're trying to get back to it.
yeah.
Yeah, I understand. So, your sister will come with, cause I realize that my friend kind of like your sister, but she not give no thought, none at all. Like, she have a man in Jamaica, or
To be honest, I don't think so.
you don't think so?
No.
All right. So when you go back now, if you say by chance, say me send you one list of stuff like for shop for me and something, you don't can do it for me.
Alright, well, I'm gonna be honest. I used to do those stuff for people, but I don't want to think I'm being too much. What's the word?
Giving what? Yeah.
Alright, just leave out the party.
Yeah.
I used to do it for people, and they're very ungrateful, so I just stopped.
Like you're not beat again, like stuff like that.
No.
So, for example, if I want you to do something for me, you're saying that you wouldn't do it because you think I'm going to be ungrateful?
No, I didn't say that. I would have to think about it before I even do it. So, just give me some time to think, and then I'll get back to you.
So what do you have planned for today?
Oh, nothing really.
Alright, because me have some stuff for this Saturday. So, you know, I appreciate you come down here, but, you know, I think a time for you to go back up on the dinner. Yeah?
No?
Yeah, right now.
I think I thought you would like to go for dinner so.
No, I'm not really hungry for dinner right now. I think, well, I'm going to talk to you next time. I know what you said. You know what I mean? So, if I don't see the video, I'm going to explain everything. Yeah.
So, I'm going to go back by myself, or are you going to bring me?
I'm going to bring a party, man. I'm going to want the boss. Because the boss and you are too close, out of business hours, you're going to have a problem. You understand? But no worries, man. Tomorrow, we can make some other plans.
So, I'm going to just grab my bag.
Yeah, man.
And head up right out, because... That's it.
Yep.
Sure.
This is a link him gone from. Why do we get work and not tell me?
Hi, how you doing?
Hello.
Whatchamacallit, I wanted to find one of them tour guides.
Yeah man, I mean that man.
Oh, you one of them?
Yeah man, I mean him Briscoe. And I'm Briscoe them tell him come to.
Oh no, they never told me. They just said that the tour guides.
I mean them tell him. I probably just never hear, isn't me?
Okay.
Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Briscoe and you are?
Well, it's Shaniqua. You could call me Deja though.
Shaniqua.
Yeah.
Deja. Well, it is my pleasure and my honor to have you here. And let me first say, welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So,
right,
what is it you would like to do today, beautiful?
All right, so I just wanted to go outside of the village, to see some stuff. Or let me just say that, to be specific, I wanted to do like a marijuana tour. I don't know if there's anywhere close by. I didn't tell them at the front desk though.
Say no more. As a matter of fact, say less. I know just the spot. I go and bring you where we have weed all over the place. I go and tell you about all the trees, purple, black, pink, everything you want to smell and have it.
Yeah, so I wanted to do the marijuana tour, and I was thinking of doing one of them June bunny store. I was thinking of doing one of the June buggy tours. Like,
you want driving on one of the buggy?
Yeah, but that could stay for another day. For today,
I
I just wanted to, basically have some fun because I have all day today. And then, tomorrow I'm going to have to do some little work. So, yeah.
Yeah, man, for sure. So you say you're a full born-fledged American?
Yeah, I'm an American.
So you're an American citizen?
Mm-hmm.
Right, are you country that?
That's where I was born.
Right, yeah. And it's stamping in your passport?
Huh?
In your passport, that is.
I have an American passport, yeah.
All right, then. Those, all right.
Yeah. So basically, today is a good day for me. I like the weather and all, so
good day for
I
me.
just want to go outside, have some fun, and
Let's go, man. Let's start.
Yeah.
Let me take you to the weed farm.
Okay.
And on this side, houses, the community.
What's that tree though? What's that one?
Oh, that's called a soursop, right?
Soursop?
Yeah.
That's a fruit, right?
Right, that's a fruit. When it's ripe, you can juice it and eat. No mean for cut you. So it's when you come.
Oh well, I'm here by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's nice, man. You're there by yourself.
Yeah, basically,
that's nice.
I came on a business trip this time. Yeah. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going through that entrance here. All right.
Oh, that's Bob Marley, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
that is Bob Marley.
Yeah. I know a few of his songs, Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Welcome,
Yeah. Oh, I've seen her.
Yeah, man.
I've seen her.
This is the many.
Wow. It's a lot of trees though.
Yeah, man. I don't really know much about it, so I'm going to allow one of the tour guides to better explain and tell you the different type of trees they are in the farm.
Okay.
Come through, my general. Yeah, man. See me have one tour, yeah. Yeah, man.
Hi, how you doing? Okay.
Yeah, man, so you can come inside, touch the plant, smell, take photos. So each plant have different smell, yeah? So this one, sativa. So sativa give you a body high, yeah?
It gives you what?
A body high, keep you up, keep you going.
Oh, so basically it energizes you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Indica, head high.
Which one is it?
Indica, head high. So this one put it asleep in the couch.
Oh.
In the couch, yeah? So that one is the head high. This one right here, white widow. So white widow give you a body high also.
Okay.
Yeah? Over here, CBD. So this 4 plant right here, CBD. So this is not for smoke, for medical purpose only. This one right here, Girl Scout cookie, CBD for chronic pain and anxiety. Platinum Girl Scout cookie for epilepsy. This one right here for autism. That one over there suppress appetite. So this 4 plant CBD, and I also have it in medicine over there. I will explain that part shortly.
Yeah, well, mom's over there, so I go and do her thing. I'm some other come reason with you know. Say I did, Michi.
Yeah, mommy there, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, bossy.
Mm.
And I don't know still, you know. The reason why I'm not come link you from the other day, you know, because things are really 100, isn't me? Because you don't know, so the tourism system slow down for me and body not to buy up nothing, isn't me? That's why I'm not link you.
100. That's why you don't link me. But that nothing to do with me. That nothing to do with me, you know. I one thing more want, you know.
But for watching the boss say, I show you, say, I explain to you still, you know, make you know, say, how the funds that you forget, you see? You can't go get it right now.
So why me can't get it right now?
I will not have it, boss.
So how come you don't have it? So where product?
So we have Baba
I
Kush.
can see that. I can see that.
Yeah, man, Baba Kush, Sensimania, cherry pie, wedding cake. Yeah? Yeah,
Wow.
Man. Natural,
I like the name of this one.
Yeah, man. So no chemical, no fertilizers
Wow.
added to them. Yeah?
Wow, I love the smell of this one.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
All natural, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So we have. So once I get the seed from that plant, I start over here. Over here, everything started from.
Oh, you can't talk.
I'm gonna make you get the money, bossy, man. Watch out, man.
Yeah.
Me nah smoke now. I mean, me nah use them more, isn't me?
All
So
right.
I make sure say it's out.
All right, you walk one. Me I give you 24 hours.
Cheese and peace, bossy. What kind of rough, bossy, man? Watch out now. 24 hours. Tomorrow business.
Kind of rough.
Yeah, bossy,
At
man.
2:12 that, you know.
But me can't work up all of that funds in that short period of time, the bossy, man.
So how you can't find this stuff and you can't work up your funds?
So because I say when time I get paid now, boss, I just get a promotion at work, you know. So I know them gonna give me a little bit more money, isn't me? So as soon as I get the funds, I just can't come make I get a thing, isn't me?
So down here is my little greenhouse, you know, where I start everything from. So these are the seeds. I germinate them in the mineral water. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So this is how it look when it bursts. 6 days old from seed.
6 days old?
Yeah, man, 6 days old. So why it grows so fast? Because of the lights inside here. So these plants inside here, they do not sleep. They grow day and night. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So once I take it from
That's
there,
interesting.
yeah, man. So once I take it from there, put it here. 16 days old.
16?
Yeah, man. So what I do, if I have a strain and I don't want to lose it, I can have that strain right during the year. So all I do, I just cut the limb off. I get the right banana, cut the right banana, put it inside the right banana. The right banana gets potassium. Over here.
Where did you learn all this stuff?
Yeah, when I go to school for all of this, man. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
So these, you can see the roots start to make there already.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, man. So all of these over here is clones. Yeah? All natural. No chemical, no fertilizers.
I mean, in Briscoe, you know, you don't know the thing going on, boss. Your
name Briscoe?
Yeah, man.
You know, so like your name Briscoe, you should have Brisk. You should have Brisk in making money. So it's like your name Leroy, you know, so man.
Could you take me a picture,
Yeah,
please?
man, no problem, man.
Thank
Just
you.
go out the tour, man.
Oh my God. My husband's gonna be excited to see him pictures. All right. Thank you. We could do it right here.
Yeah, man. So anyway, the favorite plant you love, you can just stand right there and take it. No problem. Alright. Yeah, man.
Very nice,
I
no?
need one beside the wedding. Oh, wow. I never seen
Oh,
this
granddaddy
one.
purple, yeah, man. I
Wow.
can take it there, man, no problem.
Oh, my God.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
You're
I need
welcome.
one beside the wedding cake.
Okay,
Yeah,
no
I remember
problem.
that one specifically.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you know say all know in no way there. Yeah, look around. All know in no way there. That's how I make no money in the sell. Can I wear do? I go around and go around me. Tomorrow.
I see what you know.
Take time.
Yeah, but come on.
Yeah, man, me know. I scam, I go scam Martina. And that now, right now, where I come down nice. Cause see, you make me smile, you know. Brisk coming, you know, say you fast park cash. I say that one day. Make sure, say. Because I know more 1,900 US for you tomorrow. And 3 days after that, more than next 1,900 US. You feel, say, for your face can't fool me.
It's just
1,900 US tomorrow.
Alright, watch you know. See them forward. Here just do it, can. I go try it. I do my best, boss. I do my
Your
best.
man. No, man.
I do my best.
No,
Please.
you know.
So did you enjoy your day today?
Briscoe, I did enjoy my day today.
Yeah, you know that's what I aim to do, you know? To make sure
Yeah.
so our guests them are very comfortable and relaxed, you know?
Yeah.
So them very willing and giving, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You know, because I want change to, you know, I want make sure so everything good, you know, and we aim to please and, you know, I'm glad you're full joy yourself and many more days to come. You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I promise you, man, you're never going to be disappointed, man. I mean, we are gonna be so close that you can carry me home with you, you know, if you want, you know.
I can. What you mean?
Yeah, man. I mean,
no, I can't.
What?
I don't have
it is
the power
that
to do
easy.
that.
What you mean you don't have the power from you're a citizen, right?
I
Yeah, man,
am.
from you're a citizen, man, you can carry me home with you. You don't want me to be that person where always there with you. I'll guide you and protect you. I'll be that person for you.
What you mean? I got a husband in America. I do.
What do you mean
I'm
you have
married.
man?
I'm married. What you mean?
Married what?
I thought I did say that before.
You not a ring on your finger?
I don't because I had to get my ring resized. So
I waste my day, I waste my time how long?
What you mean?
So what could have caused all of this? Woman, look, you're good? You reach?
I'm fabulous.
Go on,
What's up with you?
Everything Chris, man. Come on, the thing say, man, yo, look here now, come on, yeah, man, they are nice with you, treat your house so nice. And things ain't even all
you're a tour guide. I never expected that. Like, why do y'all think that if y'all doing your work, y'all supposed to be hopping onto us? Like no.
Me not up on nothing.
That's not how it
but
works.
But man, I treat you decent and man, I treat you nice.
Ain't that your job, though?
My job done right now. Go on, yeah. Have a good evening.
Oh my
God.
I
can't believe say if you're married, I joke you make.
Yo, I don't know what's up with
serious?
you. You crazy or something? Oh my God, these people. Oh my God.
You send time.
You subscribe yet?
Oh, wait, how long, brother? Brother, I'm tell you the half of my day. Nothing about me, no. You mean nothing not going for you? I ain't disappear and missing so long. Nothing going on. Nothing going on, I tell you. You tell me. You always have something up your sleeve, you know. How going with you? Boy, no. But I meet one, you know, I think it was a real good. I think it catch a hook and sink online and why I tell you, you don't want to look like you know the power me the pan. Now walk out. No, I'm a citizen too, you know. But you not give me no card. It more look like one red card you want to give me. Yeah, man, he not give me no good argument. You know, so I can't keep secret already. The book one too, you know. I mean, I tell you. No, you never there for a reason, you know.
Brother, but me I was there early out, I don't know anything though. So if you see me, I must go and swim. Connect. Yeah, man. Woman want, your woman does, it's like she honey. She just want to, you know what I mean? Talk all kind of sitting and I ask me if me eat pork. Brother, yo, me say to myself, man.
What say you eat for?
No, fire upon that. We are talking about eat pork. We are talking about, brother. You don't know it already? A new story, and then she go say to me, say, boy, if me eat pork with the wife. Brother, me tell you, say, yo,
no.
box,
So you know make sure you know say Jamaican around them
brother,
ready.
me tell you, say, Jamaica now, do them thing there, you know, and if I want different money, and if I never work me there, brother, me flat it down. Alright, that's what you know, right, that's
down bigger ground, man.
Yeah, me I tell you, brother, me not depend on something.
No, sir. Like this, I said no good none at all. That's what I did while, man.
Yeah, no. This is try shit, so.
You still try with that?
No, me not try with that. Me go try again some other way, cause
me done with lady there, you know. Red card, me give she a red flag that. I know with this, so we done with this thing, you know.
We don't have no boss talk to you about certain things. We have to also, cause right now, we don't know what go on, you know. In my situation, cause money nah add up the way it used to add up. Season slow, all the river dry. You know what I mean? Nothing now go on and look for this.
Like it
Be a vehicle boss,
mean.
Yeah. Be a vehicle in get for the investment.
I want to drive out to them soon.
You know that, man?
Pull up on them girls.
I'm on that now. Walk that way,
What you mean? Me most can't trick a girl. Probably when I fire them still car.
Let's go, you want to go on. You're done with the weed thing, you know. You're done with the hustling thing because it's like based on how Jimmy attack. Jimmy want to sound like him we do with things. You understand me? I say? And then if the business slow and we not carry the money and can't get the money, we go put ourselves in a problem, Briscoe.
Man, follow Jimmy, dog. I just saw Jimmy just intimidating, brother. I saw the man that talk tough. The man not hurt or fly, brother.
Cause them people are coming. Yo, for your people you check today. Them buy weed for you.
Shit, a little thing still, but I never nothing great.
Well, I feel lucky day today still.
Oh, I feel lucky. You me tell her say she don't want to give me no greed, that'll be a different color card she have in her bag.
Everybody I meet, everyone care about foreign, you know. She get green card, you know.
She tell me about she have a husband and foreign and she loyal and faithful. Look at them, me did ask her that.
Brother, you understand
yourself, you know.
Such is life, and them things are going right now. So, really and truly, might have to just, yo, if you don't at the beach where boss carry go, don't say you might find something.
Yo, brother.
I might find something big so.
I did once.
You know, so you have to look for them big so. If you don't find them big so, you're not going to really get what you need to get, me I tell you. Guaranteed, man.
No, sir.
Yeah, man, you have to,
so?
Yeah, man, you have to make a strong. But them the woman there, come here and you guarantee if you say, boy, I agree. I don't agree in car, I get a long time, because enough of them, you know what I mean, I check me sometime, you know, but me not depend on that. You know what I mean? Them beautiful, you know. You know what I mean?
Can't manage that. You can't manage that.
Yeah.
Can't manage that.
Why, it's kind of easy in a car. You have to want where you want.
That size, the brother. See, I'm a back. You have a back problem, you know.
Yo, so one bus come there.
Yo, where do?
Yo, put your back.
You're discouraged there, man.
See, I want party day now. That name green card. Come in, man.
Jesus Christ.
Come in, man, on top of the dreams. Come on, man. Briscoe.
I see one coming out of the bus there.
Wagwan, brother.
Wagwan with you.
No, people not see a car that when they come down here.
Who used to make your come down here?
That the girl, man. Me see a car down here. You think me not see?
You watch people beat. Why you can't just come out of people beat?
Yeah, your business in me see it.
Me not care if you see it. Me a squeeze you past the gate and feel saying there. Which way you went there?
No worry, man. Me turn and see it.
You turn and see what?
Me see it, no.
Why you enough to beef ball? All we had there school work out there still enough in my business.
Anyways, Me, I go want to money to pay for his CXC, you know. We have until 2 days.
Until 2 days?
Mm-hmm.
So today I what? Today I what? Wednesday?
No remember.
So 2 days, that's a Friday, Thursday, Friday. Alright, you are going. You went inside those at night, in the kitchen?
Yeah.
You name off your back?
Me name some.
But you left some for me?
Mm-hmm.
I know you have a style for name off back every back side
Them not
thing.
near me.
Hmm?
I serve 2 and serve 2, master.
But listen to me, I said, when you come out of my business and stop fast, let me tell you.
I got your business,
Listen to me, I said, man, stop, say that. Me know what me want right now, I mean, I get through, so I have to just go and take my time and go through. Because if they not give me certain things, like they can pack a barrel or pack a box, and they upon that. And they mean, enough of them people are what they mean. You understand? So I'm upon that.
Belly full, yeah, look.
What you mean, say belly full? You know, it's a river dry up right now, so right now, I try to see if I can secure certain things.
Do your name want to carry me up there, wait till it dry.
It's not a matter of that, you know. You have to understand, say, if it's safe to me, I think about at all times. You understand? I must get them again. Why rough? Alright, you are. Me have $120 I will make up that today. See? But me can't give you the whole $20. Here? Me I'll give you $750 for go to school tomorrow.
You mad?
Let me say me mad.
I saw so fear that, you know.
Me I'll give you food to eat. That's why I said don't eat other food.
That not gonna do nothing.
What you mean that not gonna do
That
nothing?
just how I go through this stage.
You know, see, I'm grateful and I understand the circumstance of what I'm going around with. I wonder if you know what I'm going around with. You know, see what I'm going. We have to take the time and go through.
Me see what me see.
Right now, that's why you see me. Right now, only thing me try to get is what me can get from some people over work there. You understand me? I say. So listen to me. Me I'll give you the money, $20. You take $750 when you change it and carry back the money. It change come. You hear me? I say to you. You know, hear me, you know, pay attention, you know.
Sit down for me.
Carry, but I think that I want to ask every time. Carry back my change come, take $750 and carry back my change come give me. Alright?
Suppose it last.
See, I just say again with you now, joke.
I see you restaurant, suppose it last.
Hey, me go listen, you know, because I have a long day. Enough things going today. Here? So go on to your work. I would subject in your 6 year though.
Social studies.
Social studies? You will pass because you love chat and socialize with people. Look, come on, I'm going. Yeah, man. Come, man, come. Walk up, man, walk up, come. Alright. Jason. Briscoe.
Yeah, ba.
This way investment card? Eh? Look around you. Look around you.
Fat up your pocket. I mean, place look good.
You hear me?
Yes, boss.
Alright. Now go on a promotion. Yep. Now go on a promotion. Because when I make it around the river, I want to deal with the beach or so. Courtesy of Mr. and Mrs. Who? Kangaroo.
Kangaroo?
Yes, man.
Oh, you say you get through?
Yes. But you want me now? To be honest with you, it is not all good in a sense. I give you the promotion, but you still go on and look foolish. Yes.
Who?
Zane?
Who boss, eh?
Listen, man. Jason, you say still around the place. Now yourself for me here. And you hustle. But you cannot. You have to this. No. You never turn up. Because you have a thing and me say, you're still looking the guest. Yes, you see him.
Bossy.
Yes, see him one. Listen to me. You have to go stop the foolishness because this is a promotion. Come with a clause. You hear me say? I talked to you guys the first time. This is cease and desist from what you guys were doing. Because you know season and business, that is the reason why I'm giving you the promotion. But the foolishness will not go on, we don't have to go stop. You hear me say, boss?
No
stop the hustling if you want to reach them in this establishment. You!
Nah, look no more body, boss.
Alright, me have no word on it, boss?
Yes, boss.
Alright, because as me say, we can't afford the Mr. and Mrs. Kangaroo to help this thing like I don't see. Look around, you know. So we go there up a river to see it. And I go in a promotion. You understand what I mean?
So give me, take my own.
Relax, man.
You see me I tell you about? You don't need to be humble, man. Everything take a time and come. See it, sir? Let me say me I go to something, I go now. You stretch your hand.
think I know it.
What you think the promotion now and stretch your hand?
I say I know you did
Relax, man, relax. Alright, boss? So that good?
Yeah, man, that's good, boss.
Alright, we can shake on that?
Yeah, man.
Can shake on that? So remember me tell you, you know, any little hanky pan can go on and eat that. Final. Alright? Alright, boss. Enjoy the rest of the day.
So when you say the promotion?
You hear me say, boss? I hear you. Me hear you.
Come in. Yo, you see the wee thing where you do it with me tonight. We can't mash up this promotion. Yeah. Me no, yo, right now, to come and work and if I lose my work and me no have no other skill if I go do, because I can't go do construction work. Because my back a hot me. You understand me? I say me no depend on that. So anything where you gonna do, you do it by yourself.
You done with the business?
Be done with the illegal hustling. You hear boss say a while ago? Eh?
Yeah, listen to bossy. So you say we get promotion and then we put nothing in our hand.
Yeah,
Where
no
promotion
yet.
then?
I not paid there yet. That when I pay you get promotion money.
Oh man. That understand me see them do it. You put sitting in your hand and say you see him. Promotion. Bossy I try to trick it. You see when I say business are going good, it are going good for you. If I never the weed thing, you know, we wouldn't have clothes for our back right now. Look, this center come and work, we couldn't even afford it.
You have to satisfy.
Tell me.
You have to satisfy and then think about, alright, where were they yesterday?
Never done away too tough. Yeah, that easy.
You see two new guests who come at the place.
New guests there?
Yeah, new guests today. And if see what me here say, you try to look. Me here, and me here again.
People just keep talking, to be courteous. To be courteous and look at look, yes.
No.
If you say to a guest, say, how you doing, how is your night, can I do anything to make you feel better? Is looking then?
Of course, because you want to do something to make you feel better. And me know you, Briscoe. Come on, Briscoe. A long time I know Briscoe. I don't know.
But they don't know that.
Listen to me. As I said to you before, based on what going on, I don't really want to lose my opportunity with this thing right now. Just understand that. So everything what we are dealing with, if you are the illegal stuff, are you alone?
Briscoe.
So knows.
Jason. Come here. Come here.
Me my green can.
Come here.
Talk about.
Somebody green can.
Go on, boss, I call it.
Yes, boss.
Bossy.
Yes, what happened now? I'm having my lunch, man. What happened?
I just want to talk to you for a second, boss.
Come. Sure. What's up now? You not even let me tell you to sit down, you just invite yourself. What happened now?
I appreciate the fact that you say I give you a promotion and all and something, you know what I mean? I respect the fact that you even consider to give it based on the, you know what I mean, the gifts we get from Mr. Kangaroo. I'll big up yourself, man. But is even before that, man, I want to come check you. So the matter of fact, just today alone, think about this. I want to advance, because start on one little thing personally. Because I have some little family issues I want to deal with. And like a sister having to do CXC and something there, and money kind of pile up on me certain way where I can't, you know, get for deal with it the way I want to deal with it. You understand? So if I can't give me an advance.
Listen.
150,000.
Do what? Listen, man, wait. Today. Me give one of them good news there.
Yes, boss.
When me tell you them things that today, that don't necessarily mean say money in your pocket. You understand what I mean?
So, boss, you say buy 8 new big old bike on the upper river.
As I said,
brand new one.
Hold on. If you see the bike, that don't necessarily mean say it's out of my pocket. Me already talk to you and don't tell you already as to where this thing come from. The investment where the people they make. And that's nothing to do with me, my youth. You understand? Look here, let me tell you something. When you might have go around, you know, you and your colleague, I don't say colleagues, you and your Eckle and Jekyll, you're bridging your working. But it's a piece, I don't even know everything I go on there, you know. See? Let me ask you a question. You sell weed for Jimmy? Answer me, man. Simple question.
And I really say me I said it with Jimmy. But it's just that I'm try a thing. I'm gonna really want to do it. And then worse I have the time with the promotion, me not define it.
Let me ask. Listen. Second question. You have weed for you?
I smell the boss.
Virgin. Me ask you a question. I can answer a question with a question. You have weed for you? Is it a yes or no? Simple question.
Yes, boss, me have weed for me.
Give me.
Give it to you.
Give it to me. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. How do you get this, man? Jim? Let me tell you something. You see where you're going with? You call cease and desist because you want me. You see all illegal activity you're going to cost your life. Me I go hold on upon this. You see me? As me say, all this illegal activity and everything where you and your colleagues are going with, you have to go stop. Like a mash up. Save your life. You hear me, my youth? Tell me I tell you that. I go hold on upon this. I go hold on upon this.
Alright, so the advance I'm asking about, boss, if you can't get it.
You will get it.
You can't get it?
Yes, but you're waiting, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And something I just jump and gain about.
Yeah, boss.
You understand what I mean? Things are so easy as I see. So when I find a way out to give you, I'm going to work out something for you.
Alright, boss.
But you hear me?
No, man, that's
done
done
with the foolishness.
That's finished, man. Finish, man.
Done with the foolishness.
Yes, boss.
Alright.
Guarantee.
Cool.
Yes, sir. And thank you very much for understanding everything, yeah?
I mean, I'll see you again soon because I have to work out a little repayment plan.
Yeah, man. No problem,
right?
Yeah, man. No problem. I mean, you know, some work, if you know, effectively, right? Yes, boss. I'm proud of you, know. You really have to take your schoolwork serious. Yeah, take it serious, man. Where you are? You know, see, yesterday I talk to my boss. Ask him for your advance and things, so things are look up. You understand? Things are look bright. And, and as a matter of fact, same time before me ask him, he said I give me a promotion, but you know, it's a promotion, would make it pay and wait, take. And he might have got say me I get promotion and give me like say $200 per me pay or you know what I mean? I don't know, big money. You understand?
So when I get the money?
I just won't get it, man. More organize it today.
When I get there, give me some different fancy money, I remember say, two hand clothes and look at my head, and my head fit come and so.
Yeah, that's true. Still make you say no because you're a girl with me. Alright, what I'm going to do is I have to go work out certain things. You understand? And then, you know, I still a continue the mission of our work. You know, say if anything, any cat can play. You understand? So here I know. I go for work. I say make you make a little extra thing idea. But when boss thing come in, I may start you. Alright?
So you say?
Your head look dirty do like you really want to do. Ah, Jesus.
My head look clean in your clothes.
No worry about that. Enjoy your day.
My head a combo. But I'm hungry now.
What did change from the 20 US there?
Me give back
You not give me no change. What did change from the 20 US there? Me not like the, you see,
you know, say sometimes you have one like a brain screw.
What you mean it's a brain screw? What you talk about?
Me care back a change go and give you, brother.
What you do this to me right now, Renee? Eh? Why you talk so much like on my face? You don't care about no money come give me. That's why I can't work with you, no man. You can't work with me.
Come, cause me hungry, man.
Me not have no money right now, so I have to go come back with some food or sitting. You understand?
You not come back with no food.
What you mean? So me have to go come. So where you go eat?
Where you buy for me?
Me no know. Maybe one bun and cheese or sitting. I mean, me buy one tin mackerel and say me can buy one pound of rice and salt. That's what we have to do. We have to do until everything starts out. But the boss, let me say, man, give me advance. So just go and keep your toe and your tribe cross.
Just
Later.
make sure you give me some money and I get paid.
Oh, yeah, easy,
Hello, Mrs. Kangaroo.
Hi, how are you
How you
today?
doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
I'm great.
That's nice. As I heard that you came back, I just came running right over right away to come make sure say, you check in and everything is okay, because we really do appreciate the fact that you're investing in our establishment. And like Miss Kangaroo, ever since you came on board, I mean everything has been just going beautiful and marvelous. Look at the landscape, and I mean you just have business coming in. I love how you're dealing with your end of the bargain, man.
Thank you.
We are so much appreciative of your business here, and we hope it continues all the way through. So I just had to come over and just tell you thanks, man. Like I'm elated by your investment.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That's the reason why I came back, to see how things going on here.
It's going wonderful. I am glad that you are here. I am extremely happy. You see, because I wanted to actually even talk to you about something,
Okay.
So I have this little business that I want to get off the ground, and I was even wondering if you'd want to invest in it too.
What is it?
It's a local it's a business where I get to buy and sell some things.
Okay. And what is that?
Some flowers. Yes. Some flowers. Some beautiful flowers. And it good for headache. And it good for pain. And it makes you feel nice. Yes.
What's your name again? Is it Briscoe?
Yes.
Okay. Can you hear yourself?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you understand what you're saying to me right now at this moment? I just came back.
Should I say it tomorrow?
Not definitely, but I already invest in this thing. I spend a lot of money, and I think it's helping you. It is benefiting you. You're getting a lot of beneficiary from it, and I don't understand why you need me to help to do something else. And I'm already in the organization spending loads of money, and you want me to spend more. So how can I help you now while I'm doing so many stuff for you guys already? And you still want me to help you? I don't understand what you're saying to me.
No, but I mean it is a good investment, and you can get benefits from it, and you will help me to be a better me, the best version of me. It's nice. It's good. I mean, me and you can do local business.
Briscoe, the first time when I came here, I kind of like you a little bit, but the way you were acting from the first time, I definitely didn't like it, and I tried to keep up with you, but you're still the same person. I think you need to pay attention to your job and stop asking guests to do stuff for you. You need to leave the guests so they can think for themselves if they want to do something for you or not. Do you know that you can get in trouble if I go to the receptionist and talk to one of them about you?
Oh, that wicked. Sorry, no, sorry.
What did you
sorry,
say
no.
just now?
I mean, it's twist my tongue, twist. I wonder which receptionist would I really want to get rid of such a good worker. I don't know why you would do that, Miss Kangaroo. I am a good, hard-working worker,
Briscoe, your attitude is thing. Your body language, I'm not in that.
But me smile
you need
bright.
to change your ways. You don't have no customer service at all. And if you ever speak out of your stupid mouth any longer, I will make a report about you. Or leave your name in the comments box. Okay.
So, Miss Kangaroo, alright, watch it now. Probably made it.
Now you're saying Miss Kangaroo. Miss
But
Kangaroo.
watch it, Miss Kangaroo. Me never mean it like
what
that.
What is it, Briscoe?
Me never mean it like that, Miss. And
you're even stuttering on my name. You forgot my name?
No, Miss Kangaroo.
Please pronounce my name properly. Thank you.
Kangaroo.
Okay.
I never mean it like that, Miss. Isn't it? And I don't mean to be disrespectful or
okay,
anything
I'm not
like
in the
that.
mood right now. I think I need to relax and you can go.
Alright. So it was very nice to see you here, Miss Kangaroo, and I hope you enjoy your stay. And we love you. And just keep this between. You know, nobody tell bossy here.
Okay, I will.
Please.
Bye.
Please. Remember, I know Miss Kangaroo. We love me. Sorry, here.
These tour guides, oh my god.